Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sybil Thomas and you're watching Thomasville Productions. So due to this lockdown and pandemic, a lot of us have kind of lost our jobs, and most of us freelancers are finding it a lot difficult to do what we used to do. So and most of us hobbyists like me uh, have come to a point where our life is like boring and uninspiring. So what I used to get through these difficult times, I came up with this concept called 1 week photo concept, where you try out different things, which is outside from your normal spectrum of photographs and whatever you create, whatever genre you are used to. So in this past few days, I feel that Pinterest has a lot of ideas for you to get inspired. So some of the interesting ideas I found was macro photography. So one of the other concept I came up was with macro photography, which I think is very cool to come up with, to see objects even in a very close up and have more details in it. So if you don't have a camera, you can always use and shoot it on a smartphone. If you do have a camera and don't have a macro lens, you can do this DIY hack where you just unmount your lens and then you just hold it. You put the front facing part of the lens to the back of the camera and then just go close up to whatever subject you want to shoot, and then click and shoot it. Try these new concepts every single week and still have an engagement on your Instagram and not running and not end up getting frustrated. So if you do end up creating these photos, just tag me on your Instagram post under the hashtag Thomasville Production one concept photo challenge. So that's all for now. Peace.